Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abe Jacobs, and on today's update video I'll be showing you guys the latest information about the NC token that we've been mining so far. But before I get into this content, I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Now, in today's update video, we've gotten the recent information about the NODEPAY token launch that we are expecting. Now, according to the team today, the NODEPAY pre-launch claim process is now live. Register to claim your NC token on OKX with zero gas fee, faster claiming process, streamlined airdrop on the 17th. Now, guys, first of all, before I get into this video, initially, in my previous updates, I told you guys that NotPay was listing on 14th this week, but however, in order to align their listing with OKX, according to the team, they had to shift the listing to 17th. So that is it. First of all, the listing is now on 17th this Friday by 10 a.m. UTC, which is 11 a.m. WAT for us in West Africa. So right now, guys, the team has released the claiming website, and right now on-chain claiming is not yet available. On-chain claiming will be available on the day of launch. However, if you are making use of OKX, if OKX is working in your country, you can claim it now. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys the whole claiming process and how you can get your OKX Solana wallet to add to your particular NC allocation. Now the website is claim.nodefoundation.ai, so we'll be heading over there right now to see our allocation and also to show you guys the claiming process. Now guys, once you click on this website, I'll be dropping the link in the description box, so make sure you do well to click the description box and you copy the link from there, and then you head over to your Phantom app or your Phantom wallet extension, whichever you are using, and then you put in this app. But for this particular video, I'll be making use of the Phantom app. So once you open the Phantom app, just go over to the last icon on the right, and then you put in the website. Now once this has loaded for you guys, the first thing you are going to do is to connect your wallet. Please make sure it's the wallet address you are using with your NotPay account, because if it is not, it is not going to work at all. So please make sure your Phantom wallet or your Phantom wallet extension is in line with the wallet address you submitted to NotPay. Now I'm going to click on connect wallet, and I'll be connecting my wallet right now. I'm going to select Phantom. I'm going to click on connect, and down right here I have my allocation, guys. I have 148.5 NC token to claim. So right now the claim is not yet live, and I will need to have at least 0.02 SOL in my wallet to claim the tokens. So in order for you to claim this token on chain, you need to have 0.02 SOL. Now the part of the off chain is the one to OKX. Right now I'm in Nigeria, and as of last year, OKX banned the use of their crypto services in Nigeria. So for me personally, I won't be able to show you guys the claiming process for the OKX. So if you are Nigerian watching this, just please wait till this Friday so that you can get it on chain. But however, if you are not in Nigeria, go to your OKX, look for the NC token, click on deposit, copy the address, and then you come right here and you are going to paste here. So now we'll be needing 0.02 SOL for those who cannot claim off chain. So guys, for those who are not in Nigeria, if you are outside Nigeria, please, once you head over to the claiming website, just click on claim off chain to CEX. You are going to select OKX, and then you are going to go to your OKX account. Once you get to your OKX account, you copy your Solana address. You make sure you copy your Solana address. You can either copy your Solana address or you look for the NC token under OKX, and then you click on deposit and you copy the address. It's still all the same because they are still all under the same layer 1. So it's still gonna be the same Solana address irregardless. So once you've copied your Solana address, go and copy your UID as well. Then you come here, you paste in your Solana address, and you also paste in your OKX UID. So if you are watching this video and you are not from Nigeria, make sure you do this right now and you go and claim yours to OKX. However, if you are Nigerian or you want to claim on-chain, make sure you deposit about 0.03 Sol, which is about close to $6 right now, so that you are going to use it to claim your NC on chain. And the reason why I'm saying that amount is that so that it's going to cover for the gas fee when you send out your Solana from your exchanges, and also cover for the transactional fees that want to occur in this phase at all. So that is it for this particular video. The claiming process is live right now, so go and claim yours to OKX or wait till the on-chain page opens. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.